Hi, I'm Emily Andrews from BTA, and we've started doing a weekly video journal each week to record and capture what goes on each week and to help us know what is right for us, to help us develop in our work. This term we started a project called Scratch. Scratch, by definition on Google, is an evening designed to give artists the opportunity to test out their material on a live audience. However, for me personally, Scratch is an evening for performers to explore the ideas that they've been working on and seeing what feels and looks right, not only to the audience, but also the actors and the directors and everyone around us that are working on it. But it's also an evening to just have fun and let loose from all the rehearsals that we've been having. For our Scratch piece this week, we were given our stimulus and given the task to think about what it means to us as an individual, as a group, and what are the common themes that kept on popping up within that list. My group stimulus that we were given was the colour purple. Now, purple means a lot of things to me. For example, my nan, he is obsessed with the colour purple. Her hair is purple, her clothes are purple, everything is purple in her life. So that immediately came to thought. But when I thought about it a bit more, I realised that purple has been there in so many parts of my life. And so my list just kept on going on and on. But when we came back as a group, we all quickly saw that we had written something magical about the colour. We all associated it with things like crystals and how rare a colour it was. Like, we never see it in nature or anything like that. So we immediately got to researching, and once again, we all came to the common theme of witches. So the final thing we did this week was decide where our piece was set, the themes, and the general plot of our entire Scratch piece. Something that I'm incredibly excited about is researching witches. We decided to go more naturalistic with our themes and base our piece off of the witch trials. The witch trials are something that I've been interested in for such a long time, but I've just never had enough time to research more into it. But now I have that chance, and I'm so excited to look more into it and devise something hopefully historically accurate. A challenge I feel we have faced this week was coming up with questions for everyone in our group to answer during our theory essays. It was like we knew our themes and we knew how to do it, but it just took us a minute to think of 5 things that we need to know in great detail. But we managed to do it, we did it in time. And it should get easier to think of things like that further on in the process, where we know more things than we do now, but we have more questions as our plot develops. And finally, a success that I feel like we had this week was our groups. I have a great group. We all get along and we all think on the same wavelength, and ideas just keep on flowing, and I feel like this process is going to be so easy.